Hi guys, welcome back to my channel In Sync with Shreya. It's been a long time that I've actually vlogged anything at all. I did not get the time. I was traveling from Bangalore back to Calcutta. Yes, I'm back in Calcutta. Finally, now I'm getting a chance to go out. Today we're going out on a family lunch. We're going to Fusion Fantasia, which is a restaurant in Southern Avenue. I'll take you around, I'll show you what we eat, I'll give you a nice review of the place. Stay till the end of the video to find out what all we do today. So I completely forgot to mention, it is Vishwakarma Puja today. So Vishwakarma is the god of technology, machines and all of that. So we have a business where we use iron materials and machines and all that. So we perform Vishwakarma Puja on this auspicious day. So we have a quick stop here and then we'll go to lunch. I'll show you around our factory and everything that's happening. So like I said, I'll take you around the place. Here's a nice overview of the place. My father and my brother are into iron fabrication business. So they manufacture big blowers for tea plantations, jute mills, rice mills and so on. So this is our little factory. This is Lord Vishwakarma, like I have already mentioned. He is the god of machinery, weapons, anything to do with metals essentially. And hence we celebrate Vishwakarma Puja at our factory every year. There were cute little puppies. They were very newly born puppies. The weather was really bad. It was raining very heavily. So my brother gave them shelter inside the factory so that they can be saved from the really heavy rain. As us in the office, even we don't get to visit our factory as often. It's only once a year that we come here during Vishwakarma Puja. So it's always fun whenever we do drop by to see the new things that have changed, the new constructions that have happened. So it gives us so much joy to see such improvements in the workplace. Here's us all seated for the puja. There's my mom, there's my brother, there's my father. My sister-in-law was inside with our little babies. So Havan is a big thing that is done during this puja. Here's our Pandit Ji preparing for the Havan. So finally, after a fun visit to the factory, we have finally reached the restaurant, Fusion Fantasia. It is a themed restaurant, as you can see. The theme is based on a pirate ship. You can see Jack Sparrow's picture. There are nautical ropes everywhere. The decor is really nice. There are nets, there are sails. Nicely done restaurant. How's the decor, Toji?
Pretty good.
It's a good themed restaurant, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a pretty good themed restaurant.
And we have ordered our food. Let's see what comes and how the food is. We'll keep everyone posted. Everyone is nicely seated. Let's see how the food is. This place is also maintaining as much safety measures as possible. They're providing sanitizers and all of that, and cleaning the place regularly. Here are the few starters that we tried. We tried octopus, we tried fish, we tried prawns, we tried a number of mocktails. The mocktails were really tasty. We did try calamari crispy fry. Of course, it's one of my favorites. I have to go and try that everywhere. Here is the Bashpura biryani, I think is what it is called. It is served in all the outlets that Sanders Fantasia, Fusion Fantasia, and all of them have. I think they're under the same owner. This is their main dish that they offer and is very famous. We also tried two sides, one of chicken, one of mutton. The mutton was really well cooked. It was really soft. Like you guys have already seen, I hope you've watched the entire video. We had a wonderful day. पूजा अच्छे से हो गया, फिर खाना खाने गए. हम लोग थोड़ा लेट पहुंचे obviously क्योंकि पूजा होने में बहुत टाइम चला गया. पंडित जी ने बहुत डिले कर दिया था. तो वहाँ से फिर खाना खाने गए. We went to Fusion Fantasy as I had already told you. It's a nice place. The decor is nice. It's a small place, considerably smaller. So they don't have larger tables. We were 6 of us, so they had attached a seat for us, and that was a little uncomfortable, but we managed. The food was not excellent or over the top or something super exciting, but it was good. एक तो सी फूड का ऑप्शन कम होता है. इवन इन कोलकाता फॉर दैट मैटर सी फूड ऑप्शन इज प्रिटी लेस, but they have a variety of seafood options. Surmai was not available. We were looking forward to having surmai, but surmai fish was not available, so that was a bummer. But majorly all the starters that we ordered, the ones that I've shown you, were pretty good. As I've already told you, the biryani was okay. It was not too good. It was not over the top. It was nothing too exciting. But it was good. It was less spicy. It was okay. The price is considerably manageable. It is at a good price point. It's not very expensive. According to the quantity, the prices are pretty good. That being said, you can try the place if you're a seafood lover. Otherwise, there are plenty other places to go to. It won't be, at the top of my recommendation list at all. It's a place that you can go once and, for the ambience or for, the variety of seafood that they offer, you can go to that place once. That's something that I would recommend. So that's for me for today. Here's signing off. Be kind, stay happy.